Here we have a brand new 2023-2024 Isuzu Mux fitted in full fit sheepskin. So front pair have separate headrest covers, bonus center console top with canvas on the sides for ease of function still. So this is a higher model, so both driver and passenger have electric controls, which as you can see our seat covers tuck inside the capping for access to that. Being a complete full fit, sheepskin goes all the way on the back of the headrest, sides of the backrest and down the back of the seat. So as you can see, seat still functions with our seat covers fitted, airbag provision on the door sides of both, and airbag provision on the inside of the driver's side backrest. And the back seat is fitted with black on grey two-tone water resistant canvas. So split folding bases still, split folding backrest, separate armrest with drink holder, 3 separate headrests, access to the center lap sash belt, and even with the seat covers fitted, seats can still tumble, fold like so.